Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Neha Goyal and my subject is knowledge and curriculum. The topic for today is approaches to curriculum competency based approach. The main characteristics of this approach are this emphasizes on the complex outcomes of a learning process, that is knowledge, skill and attitude to be applied by learners. In principle, such a curriculum is learner centered and adaptive to the changing needs of students, teachers and society. Learning activities and environments are chosen so that learners can acquire and apply the knowledge, skills, and attitudes to situations they encounter in everyday life. Competency based curricula are usually designed around a set of key competencies that can be cross curricular or subject bound. As competencies are constructs and are inferred from or expressed in behavior in a certain context, competency based curriculum is dependent on the context of institution offering the curriculum. This approach is based on constructive approach. The curriculum should have learning environments focused on the development of competencies. In this approach, self assessment plays a fundamental role. Competency based programs are very flexible as their structure depends upon the individual learner. The focus of this approach is on the final outcome and enables students to control their pacing because they are not confined by a set learning process. One of the key features of competency based education is increased student engagement. Learning centers on real world skills and competency development. Advantage of this approach are learning outcomes are holistic, relevant learning material, flexible learning process, highly motivated students, empowered and confident students, experiential learning, support students with diverse backgrounds, contributes to the overall proper mental and social development, individual learner benefits, quality of assessment. Some of the disadvantages are a risk of neglecting inputs and processes, increased chances of procrastination, complex to implement, requires precise planning and experienced education experts, does not suit subject areas where it is difficult to prescribe specific competencies. Thank you.